Although most musicians agree that music is a language, it's not self-evident how to use this knowledge to improve your musical ability in the most efficient way possible. Should you practice scales? If so, how often? How good can solo practice really make you? Should you start by learning to read sheet music? How about music theory? These are just few of the questions one might ask. Of all the arts, music is one of the most difficult ones to discuss. It's hard to define something that cannot be seen or touched. Well, one thing is sure, the importance of feedback cannot be overstated. Whether from your fellow musicians or teachers, or in best case scenario, both. Real-time feedback from improvisation sessions can teach you in the most realistic and immediate way possible. Even things like visual feedback from your teacher's Instagram stories showing your own performance, your posture, even small details as how often you breathe can improve your musical ability. It's near impossible to get this kind of experience training by yourself. If your musical education journey consists only on relying on YouTube videos, consider taking real-time face-to-face music lessons. Practicing alone, having those daily workout sessions has an important place for every musician. Of course, you should practice scales, arpeggios, intervals, chords, songs, licks, etc. by yourself. But all of these things should be measured against real-world experience in order to understand the underlying context you're training for. Whether it's band practice, jam session, recording gig, or your next guitar lesson, you should have something that keeps your reality in check. That being said, be selective about what and who you listen to. As generic as it may sound, people have a tendency to become the average of what they surround themselves with. Always have a clear intention on what you want to play before you play it, and let your body decide what is the most efficient way to do it. In other words, music always comes first. You give commands to your instrument, never the other way around. Join a band or guitar lessons studio. By the way guys, if you like this channel and the work I do, please consider learning my Neoclassical guitar workout. The link is in the description below. Now get out there and make some music. Thanks for watching.